let's see how quick we can strip down this HQ ute door. To get to the lock and the handle, we need to pull off the door card. So we'll start to strip that out. Let's go through it. If you want to take off the window winder, these will help get to the clip behind. Let's see if it's orientated the right way, the clip. Sometimes they're being put back the wrong way. Well, got that one. Get the speaker off. Speaker. I'll swap out the drill bit and get the one with the fatter head on it, just to get the handle, or the, you know what I'm saying, get this bit off. Oh. It's really interesting. This one's been replaced and it's got like a hex head on it. You never know what you're going to find on an old car. Let's see. I think I got the right size. It's not really looking like it's fitting that well. Let's give it a little try. It might be turning and I just can't feel it. Come on. I can't get it in there. I need a long one. That's going to do it. Come on. Come on. There we go. That's a weird one. It looks like it hasn't even gone through the factory hole. It looks like they just drilled it straight through the door frame. So, oh no, they've worn that out too. Let's hope I can get that, because I need that door card off. They've made a right mess of it. I don't know if I need that one. It's a bit worn. It's a bit worn out. Might need the fat head to try and get a bit more grip. Let's see how we go. We got it, we got it. It's not all over, but we might replace that before we put it back on. Shimmy it. It comes off. Put the screw back on there so I don't lose that. This guy here, better if I hold it there. You can get behind the little clips and pop them on the door card. it's not in too tight. And then this guy here,